push a button, and get perfect barbecue. That's the dream, right? But walk into any store, go online, and you're hit with a wall of options. Traeger, Pit Boss, Z Grills, all promising the same thing. But I'm here to tell you, most of them are cutting corners in ways you can't see, until it's too late. After smoking over 100 pounds of brisket, pork, and chicken on the most popular models, we found 5 that stand above the rest. And the one we ranked number 1, its performance defied every expectation we had. What we're about to show you will save you from a very expensive mistake. Starting at number 1. Traeger Ironwood 885 Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. Best overall. Traeger's Ironwood 885 is one of the brand's most popular models. The cook surface is on the larger side, at 885 square inches, with an oversized top grate. The grates are porcelain-coated, like those on the brand's Pro 575 model, which also performed well, for easier cleanup and maintenance. Aside from more cooking space, the Ironwood 885 is loaded with updated features like a control panel that's easier to read, super smoke and keep warm settings, a sensor that lets you know when the pellets are low, a door on the hopper to remove the pellets if you want to try another flavor before they finish, and a strong side shelf with tool holders. The grill comes with a meat probe, and built-in storage for it, and also connects to the Traeger app, allowing you to keep an eye on your cook from afar. It has a 20-pound hopper capacity. In our tests, chicken came out super juicy and tender with crispy skin reminiscent of well-cooked duck skin. It was light and airy. Steak also turned out tender and achieved the desired grill marks. Both had a light, smoky flavor that you really want when cooking on a pellet grill. The grill features a downward exhaust system located at the back, rather than a traditional smokestack. It's a good option for those new to pellet grills because it's simple and easy to use, and pros will appreciate the solid build and features. However, all of these features come at a higher price. This is the second most expensive grill on our list. Number 2. Traeger Ranger Portable Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. Best portable. The Traeger Ranger is a great choice if you're looking for a compact pellet grill that you can use at home or on the go. While it is heavy for one person, it is durable and easy enough to carry between 2 people. In our testing, it delivered the same high-quality results as the brand's full-sized pellet grills, and one of our experts continues to use it frequently to smoke in a small backyard. While the cooking area is small, 186 square inches, it was still able to fit a rack of ribs that came out soft, tender, and smoky in our tests. We also did not have to refill the 8-pound hopper during our tests. The Ranger features porcelain-coated grates, which cleaned up nicely in our tests, an integrated meat probe to check the internal temperature of your food, and a keep warm mode to maintain your food's temperature until you're ready to eat. Additionally, the control panel is intuitive and easy to use and navigate. Number 3. Traeger Woodridge Pro Electric Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. Best large capacity. The Woodridge Pro is one of the newer models from Traeger. It has 2 racks, with a combined 970 square inches of cooking space. The side tables fold in for storage, and it comes with numerous hoods for storing cooking utensils and tools. The control panel is easy to read and has clear controls. It also comes with a temperature probe that, once plugged in, displays the reading on the screen. It has a super smoke mode for higher smoke flavor, ideal for larger cuts of meat. You can also connect the grill to the Traeger app to monitor your cooking progress and adjust the temperature as needed. When performing the reverse sear test, we didn't achieve the most intense grill marks, which is common if you don't have an open flame. The steak was a nice medium rare with a pleasant smoke flavor, yet still moist. The chicken thighs were evenly golden brown and juicy on the inside. When cooking the ribs, I found the smoke ring to be pleasantly intense, and the same applied to the smoke flavor, delicious but not overpowering. We found this model slightly tricky to move and maneuver, though it is a larger and heavier grill. Number 4. Weber Searwood 600 Pellet Grill. Most versatile. The Searwood is one of the Weber's newer models, and while we're still testing it, we've been impressed so far. This versatile grill works with a range of accessories, including a pizza stone, griddle, and rotisserie, all sold separately. It's an excellent option for those who want a single, all-purpose appliance rather than a collection of specialized gadgets cluttering the backyard. Despite its versatility, the Searwood maintains a compact footprint, measuring just 45.7 by 38.5 by 23 inches. This grill also features direct flame cooking, which aids in searing and developing brown, crisp foods. The grill also has Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to monitor and control cooking temperatures from your phone. It comes with 2 temperature probes to monitor the internal cooking temperatures of your food, which display on the easy-to-read digital screen. Although we are impressed with the grill's capabilities so far, we must note that its grilling capacity is limited, considering the price. Number 5. Traeger Tailgater Pellet Grill. Best Portable Pellet Grill. This solid Traeger grill brings most of the functionality of the brand's larger models to a more mobile form. With digital controls and app connectivity, it reaches set points quickly, hitting its maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit in less than 14 minutes, and retains heat moderately well. Despite its travel-friendly size, the Tailgater holds 12 burgers, 2 chickens, or 3 racks of ribs. While it doesn't need as much fuel as larger grills to maintain its temperature, its 8-pound hopper will need refilling during longer smoke simply due to its smaller capacity. For reference, we added more pellets 7 hours into smoking. While the Tailgater reached its maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit in less than 14 minutes and retained heat fairly well, being capped at 450 degrees Fahrenheit made searing difficult. We noticed a slight variation in hot and cool temperature zones as well, though not significant enough to leave it off our list. Overall, it's a great option for grilling and smoking for portability and price. So, there you have it. The path to effortless, restaurant-quality barbecue is clearer than ever. Whether you're a weekend warrior or an aspiring pitmaster, one of these 5 pellet grills is your ticket. If you're ready to make that jump, we've done all the hard work for you. All the direct links to these grills, with the most up-to-date 2025 pricing and exclusive deals, are listed for you in the video description below. If this review helped you, please support the channel, smash that like button, share this video with a friend who loves to grill, and subscribe because next week, we're revealing the one pellet brand that can ruin your grill. You need to see this.